Introduction to software testing.
Software testing is a crucial process that ensures applications work as intended and are free from critical bugs. It helps developers find and fix issues, guaranteeing software quality and reliability. Testing is an essential part of the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, as it ensures products meet requirements and satisfy user expectations before release.
Types of software testing.
There are several main types of software testing. Manual testing involves testers checking software by hand, while automated testing uses scripts and tools to execute tests quickly and repeatedly. Testing can also be classified as functional, which checks what the software does, and non-functional, which assesses performance, security, and usability.
Methods of software testing.
White box testing examines the application's internal structure, requiring knowledge of the code. Black box testing focuses on software functionality without knowing the code. Gray box testing combines both approaches, giving testers partial insight into the underlying code while evaluating how the application works from the outside.
The importance of thorough testing.
This process is vital for quality assurance. It helps uncover defects early, reducing the cost and effort to fix them. Proper testing ensures that software is reliable, secure, and user-friendly. Failing to test thoroughly can lead to serious issues, including defective software, security vulnerabilities, and dissatisfied customers.
Software testing in the SDLC.
Testing is integrated throughout the software development lifecycle. It starts with planning and continues during development, integration, and even after release through maintenance testing. Early and continuous testing speeds up development, prevents costly mistakes, and results in better quality software that fully meets user needs.